Here I've got Nokia 2720 Flip, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select personalization and go down to select language, right here. And here if you will click on language, you will be able to check the whole list of languages. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so I believe that everyone will find something suitable. And let me change it, for example, to Portuguese. And as you can see, it has been already changed, and now you can smoothly use your device in Portuguese. Then whenever you would like to change it, just open the settings again, then go to the languages, select language and find the one that you want to apply now. And in my case it will be English. And that's it. So as you can see, it's super quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.